Welcome to the top best. The best Plarail is probably one of the most iconic and beloved toy train systems in the world, captivating generations of children with its realistic designs, durable construction, and endless expansion possibilities, making it a timeless choice for both imaginative play and dedicated collectors alike. Number 5. Takaratomy Plarail Basic Rail Set. Discover the Takaratomy Plarail Basic Rail Set. It offers a variety of basic rail pieces for endless building fun. With this set, you can create over 10 different track layouts. Let your imagination run wild with the possibilities. It's easy to assemble and reconfigure. You can build more than 10 unique layouts using just the rails included. This set provides all the essential rail types you need. Design and build your very own train track. Explore the versatility of this rail set. It's designed for creative play and numerous track configurations. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility with over 10 different layout possibilities using just the included basic rails. If you're looking for a foundational set that encourages endless creative track building, this is the one. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore various track configurations. What people say. The train cars are connected by magnets, which makes them easy to connect and disconnect. The train cars are made of durable plastic and can withstand rough play. The train cars are compatible with other Plarail tracks and accessories, allowing for endless customization. Number 4. Plarail Thomas TS11 Toby AF27. Introducing a special collectible from Japan. This is the Plarail Thomas TS11 Toby AF27 model. Part of the beloved Plarail Thomas series, this toy car brings joy to collectors and fans alike. This specific AF27 model features intricate details, making it a standout piece in any collection. Crafted with the quality expected from Japanese toy manufacturers, it's built to last. We offer secure, tracked shipping directly from Japan via JP Post, ensuring it arrives safely. What we like. Bring the world of Thomas and friends to life with this charming Toby engine. If you're a fan of the beloved characters and enjoy imaginative play, this is a fantastic addition. It's ideal for young fans who love recreating their favorite scenes from the show. What people say. The train is very detailed and looks just like the real thing. It's easy for my child to assemble and disassemble the tracks. The train runs smoothly on the tracks and is very durable. Number 3. Takaratomy Plarail S16 E5 Shinkansen Hayabusa. Get ready for high-speed adventures with the incredible E5 Shinkansen Hayabusa. This iconic train brings the thrill of the rails right to your playroom. Experience the amazing speed change feature that makes playtime even more exciting. Watch as it transforms and zooms along the tracks. Faithfully recreated, this model captures the sleek and powerful design of the real E5 Shinkansen Hayabusa. It's a must-have for any train enthusiast. Expand your Plarail world with this fantastic addition. It seamlessly connects with other Plarail tracks and trains for endless layout possibilities. Crafted by Takaratomy, you can expect durability and quality in every detail. This train is built for hours of imaginative play. Start your Plarail collection or add to your existing one with this special Shinkansen. There are many more exciting trains to discover. What we like. Experience the thrill of speed with the E5 Shinkansen Hayabusa, featuring an exciting speed change function. If you're fascinated by high-speed trains and enjoy dynamic play, this model is a must-have. It's perfect for aspiring train enthusiasts who love realistic train action. What people say. The train is very detailed and looks like the real thing. The cars connect easily and stay connected during play. It's a great addition to any Plarail collection. Number 2. Plarail Repair Parts Coupler, Normal Type. Introducing the Plarail Repair Parts Coupler in the normal type. This essential piece is designed to keep your Plarail trains running smoothly. Each pack contains 12 normal type couplers, providing plenty of replacements. Ensure your little one's favorite trains are always ready for adventure. These parts meet stringent safety standards, indicated by the ST mark. You can be confident in the quality and safety for your child. Recommended for boys aged 3 years and up, these couplers are perfect for developing fine motor skills. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play. Weighing only 0.01 kilograms, these parts are lightweight and easy for small hands to manage. Keep the fun going with these simple yet vital repair components. What we like. Keep your Plarail trains running smoothly with these essential normal-type coupler repair parts. If your existing couplers are worn or broken, this 12-piece set is a lifesaver. It's the practical choice for any dedicated Plarail owner who wants to maintain their collection. What people say. The train is very detailed and looks just like the real thing. It's easy for my child to connect the tracks and make different layouts. The battery-powered engine runs smoothly and stays on the tracks well. Number 1. Takaratomy Plarail Thomas and Friends TS-10 Spencer. Get ready for adventure with the Plarail Spencer from Takaratomy. This iconic model train brings the beloved Thomas and Friends character to life. Experience the quality of Japanese craftsmanship with this authentic Plarail toy car. It's a perfect addition to any collection. This is the TS-10 Spencer model, meticulously detailed for fans of all ages. It's designed for endless hours of imaginative play. Join Thomas and his friends on exciting journeys. This Spencer model is a fantastic way to expand your Plarail world. Your order will be shipped with tracking via Japan Post. You can follow its journey right to your doorstep. What we like. Add the impressive Spencer engine to your Thomas and Friends Plarail collection. If you appreciate the larger, more majestic characters from the series and enjoy expanding your railway world, this is a great choice. It's perfect for collectors and children who love the grander engines. What people say. The train is very detailed and looks just like the real thing. It's easy for my child to connect the tracks and make different layouts. The train runs smoothly on the tracks and is quite durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.